welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Eddie J Smith here. I'm so excited to be back on the channel bringing you a new video. First of all, guys, I want to say thank you for all the love on my last videos, and thank you guys so much for watching, for liking, for sharing, for interacting with the videos. I appreciate you all so much. Thank you guys so much. So guys, yeah, the year has pretty much flown by. You know, we're in September and the holidays is around the corner. So of course, Mary Kay has launched a new holiday product, and this is the catalog for the holidays. And so beautiful. Features our brand new Time-Wise Miracle sets. That is a game changer in our skincare routine. If you have not gotten your hands on the new Time-Wise Miracle set, you need to go to your consultant and get one, okay? And if you don't have a consultant, then you can totally reach out to me to get set up with your own fabulous age-defying skincare. All right, it's so beautiful. So that's what's featured on this holiday catalog here. So make sure you reach out to your consultant or reach out to me to get a copy. So we have some fabulous new sparkle honey for the holiday. Get excited. It's coming up right there on your screen, so take a look. Alright, you guys, so these are the new fabulous Shimmer liquid eyeshadows by Mary Kay. They are limited edition just for the holiday season. And I would tell you, they typically sometimes run out before Christmas. So if you would love one of these, okay, get you some to get ready for the holidays so that your eyes will be sparkling and popping, okay, when you show up at the family gatherings or celebrations. They're so beautiful. So I've already done my foundation off camera. I used both the Mary Kay Time-Wise Matte Wear Foundation. The shade I use is Bronze W 140, okay? And I also use the Mary Kay CC Cream, and I mix them both together to give me this shade you see right here. I have been loving mixing these together because it just gives me a beautiful balance and a beautiful combo, okay? And just that beautiful skin, plus the added SPF protection from the CC. So I just love it. You can give it a try. And for the CC cream, I use the shade Deep. If you're not new to the channel, you already kind of know my routine anyway. But then for my under eye, I use the Mary Kay Perfecting Concealer. And the shade that I use is Light Bronze. So let's start with the eyes, okay? I did a little bit of stuff. But let's kind of start with the eyes. I am going to use my concealer. I always do. I love to use my concealer on the eyes. So now I'm just using my Mary Kay all over eyeshadow brush to just blend. And you guys know how I do. I don't really just blend it all the way. I kind of leave it a bit tacky. Okay, so to start off, I'm going to go back to my Warm Hues palette, and I'm going to grab the Dream Big Brown, which is that beautiful, beautiful chocolate. I love it because I also use it as my contour sometimes. Okay, so we're just placing that. So once you've placed it, a blending brush, and just focus on the edges of where that color is. And just, you know, with a light hand, just kind of blend that, you know, so that it's seamless. So this is just the concealer. I haven't put on any color on it yet. So let's start with the rose. And I will start her on the outer corner. I'm sure if you wanted to, you can go with a brush, but I'm just gonna go straight from the tube. So yeah, that's pretty. Very beautiful. Love the color. So next is going with Champagne. Champagne I've tried, and let me tell you, the first day I put this on a little bit, I just put a little bit. I went about my business, went about my day, you know, and I was talking to this young lady, and she was like, "What is on your eyes?" And you know, as a consultant, you know, I just whipped out the colors and I showed it to her, and she was like, "Wow, that is so beautiful." I'm wondering if I can kind of layer them into each other. The Champagne definitely has the most sparkle in it, if that makes sense. And you can probably even tell already. But it definitely has the shimmer, you know what I mean? The rose is a bit more smooth. So I'm kind of putting it and blending it a little bit into the rose because we don't want a line. We want them to marry and blend together, right? Sometimes colors like this don't layer well. I'm testing to see if it does. Now, if it's anything like the one that you launched a few years ago, then it'll dry and it'll stay. It will not budge because the other one didn't budge, I remember. I'm trying to see if it's buildable. So I'm putting a little bit more on this side. And it does look like it's buildable, like it's layering. So let's see how this one performs. So now we're gonna take sparkling. Wow, she's a color I haven't actually tried yet. So we'll just, ooh, child. Wow. Wow. Oh. Oh, wow. All right, sparkling. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. I hope you guys can see that. Wow. Okay. Okay. Oh, wow. Okay. All right. All right. All right. Let's go put on some lashes and we'll be right back. All right, you guys. So the lashes are on. Loving it. So I'm going to start with the Marykay Silky Setting Powder. And the shade I'm using is light medium beige. But everything is good. I'm going to take the deep beige and just swirl my brush into that. And just kind of go over the translucent loose powder. So I'm going to put a little bit of that over the setting powder. Went over with the Silky Setting Powder to set the under eye concealer. And the shade I used was the light medium beige. And then I took the deep beige, kind of set all over the rest of my face. And then went over the light medium beige under the eye with the translucent loose powder just to brighten up a little bit more. And then we're going to grab the mauve right here. I'm going to place that here. All right, so let's line the under eye, and I'm going to take our fabulous new blue waterproof eyeliner. So that's our fabulous new blue waterproof eyeliner. She is very sexy. So for the lips, we're going to line with Berry. I'm going to take a bit of the rose shimmer eye color and see what that looks like on the lips. That's very pretty. We need a nude. Let's try the mauve nude matte liquid lipstick right here. So do we love? What do we think? All right, hold on. I'm going to do more of the berry. You guys give me so much compliments with this berry lip liner. It is a beautiful color. And if you wanted to, you can go over with a little lip gloss. So there you have it. So that's the rose shimmer eyeshadow on the lips with berry lip liner and a little nude in the center. So I use the Unlimited lip gloss over it, and I use the beach bronze. So do we love? So I'm gonna go back and put a little bit more blush, the hot coral, and I'm going up. And you always want to go on the high points. You never want to start right smack in the center, you know, because it may be too heavy. Plus, you don't want to drag your face down. You want to lift it up. And to finish off our look, we're going to use the Mary Kay Makeup Finishing Spray. So that is, you guys, what do you think? I love the whole eye look. I love that for the lips. You could use the rose on the lips with a little nude and a little gloss over it. The colors are absolutely beautiful, okay? So, I mean, you can see a little flecks, but they clearly are not moving, okay? They're gonna stay, all right, all night long, all right, until you're ready to take them off. They're very beautiful. It did layer okay. You know, you may not want to do too many layers, all right? That's one thing I will say. But it's beautiful, it's sparkly, it's popping, it's eye-catching. You're definitely gonna be sparkling, you know what I'm saying? So that is it, you guys. Let me know what you think about this tutorial today. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And of course, subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to share, guys. Sharing totally supports my channel and helps it to grow. So that's it, you guys. Have a blessed day, and I'll catch you on the next one.